So, Andrea, I keep hearing these ads when I'm at the gym about Title Lock. Should I buy it? Is it, who protects me if somebody tries to sell the house from under me?
The only person that's going to protect you is your enhanced title policy. Title Lock is a title monitoring service. So once they send you that alert that says, hey, you've got fraud, you're on your own. So you better make sure that you have that enhanced title insurance policy.
So, how does the Title Enhance policy protect me?
So if you are a victim of mortgage fraud, say somebody places a home equity on your property, and you go to sell the house and they do a title search and say, hey, you have a line of credit and it's not yours, you call your title insurance and they will, it will be a title claim and they'll take care of it.
Wow. And when can I buy this enhanced policy?
Well, the only time you can buy that is when you purchase the property. So if you go to closing, you always want to make sure that you have the enhanced policy, not the standard. The enhanced protects you post policy.
Wow, that is awesome. So Title Lock, scam?
Scam 100%.
Awesome.